You see, this app will actually pay you to do nothing, and yet it's available for both iOS and Android. So basically, it works like this: you install it, you get ready for sleep, or for whatever you like to do. I would personally just lay on my bed, check my phone from time to time, and collect my earnings. Now, even though this app is great, if you stay with me until the end of the video, you will even get a bonus app that's also going to pay you to do nothing. So that way you will double your results. So let me know in the comments what you would do while these apps are working for you in the background. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Just a heads up guys, a dollar sign will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. Now let's go back to the video. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your own PayPal account. So head over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the needed details and log into your very own PayPal account. If you don't want that option or don't want to do that, you can set up your own bank account online by searching in the Google online bank account in my country and sign up for an entirely free account on that online banking website. You should definitely stay all the way until the end of the video and pay close attention to every second so you won't get confused. So if you really want to set this up properly and if you really want to make it work, then you must follow and watch every second of this tutorial. Now back to the first app. I also want to share with you because I really love the fact that you don't need hundreds or thousands of dollars to cash out from this app, unlike the other apps. With this one, you literally just need $2 to $5 depending on where you're coming or making money from and what type of rewards you choose. But it's $2 to $5 once you have that amount in your account. You can immediately cash out and spend it on whatever you want to. Of course, you can leave it over there and wait until you have like 50 or 100 or 200 or $500 and then cash out. Now the way these apps work is basically you will install it for absolutely free and it's going to show you some ads on the screen which you can just swipe. So all you have to do is swipe on your phone, which is something that you already do every single day. And now you can just get paid up to $5 per day just from one single service. If you have multiple services, you can definitely make a lot more money. But even $150 every single month, basically for doing nothing, is also really great. However, it's not as good as the second app, which I'm about to show you. Because for the second app, you definitely don't even need to swipe and you will still get paid. So stay tuned for that. Now, since you will be paid for just unlocking and swiping your phone, I just want to show you that it is something that you already do every single day. According to research, Gen Z smartphone users in the United States unlock their devices on average 79 times daily. So that's something that we already do every single day. So unlock your phone all the time. You check your messages, you check your emails, you check your notifications, and you do it on a regular basis. But now, you will get paid when you do that. That's why I said you're basically being paid to do absolutely nothing. This app is available for both Google Play and App Store. So it's available for both Android and iOS, which is really good. Now the actual app name is MooCash. This is over at moocash.com. This is their official website. But in order to install the app and start making money, you will need to go over to Google Play Store or the App Store depending on which device you want to have. Then just research for Mucash, find this logo, install it, sign up for free, and start making up to $5 per day. Now here's the second app which I wanted to share with you, which might be even better as you can see or earn. And you can earn using your phone for doing nothing. You're literally getting paid to do absolutely nothing. Once you install this app, and you can do it again and again, and you can get paid over and over again passively. And yes, they do have PayPal as well. So you can also collect your earnings through PayPal. It's absolutely safe, and they guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. I also did some research on the app, and it's 100% safe, and people that are using this app are 100% satisfied. You do not need to perform tasks, you do not need to watch ads or play games. Earnings will just come in absolutely autonomous in passive mode. Whatever you are doing, you will still get paid. The more devices you have, the more money you will be able to make, because this app is not going to pay you hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's only going to be a couple of dollars, but it quickly is going to pile up if you have the multiple devices, or if you just stay patient and wait to receive more and more payments. As you can see, they have the largest payments because they unite all the best reward programs in one place, so you can collect the most amount of money. This app right here is absolutely free. This is an example of how the app is going to look like once you install it, and it's going to show you how much money you have actually collected with it. You will earn money from your Android phone. They pay for every minute of the time when you do nothing, and you are being paid every single minute to do absolutely nothing. And fortunately, this app is available only for Android, so it's not for iOS services or devices. So if you're an iPhone user, then unfortunately, you can only use the previous app that we showed in this video. Just go over to Google Play Store and search for Cash Magnet. This is how the logo is going to look like. Once you install it, you can sign up for absolutely free either with your Google account or by entering in your email address and creating a password. You can set it up to get paid on complete autopilot and collect some free passive income from your smartphone device. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.